joiners are unbelievable. I mean, really just shocking work, that is. I was actually here when he was doing this. I turned up and he was using me polyfiller. And obviously he's left. This is a good week on now. I've just come back to do some more work here. And I was having a cup of tea. I've seen this stain here. M.D.F. Why bother putting M.D.F. in there? I had to cut a piece out of the original sill because of rot. You see where he's cut it out. I'm gonna put M.D.F. in. Is he gonna come back and replace this when it fails? It's starting to already there. I've not even had a chance to do anything with it. It's proud. He's tried filling. Just shoddy. Unbelievable. I could tell it was M.D.F. because I had a bit of a pick at it here. Straight away it furred up there. Well, that's a telltale sign. That's staining from the water. See a water ring there. Condensation off the sill. People say M.D.F. is more expensive. Doesn't mean it's any better at all. It's absolutely rubbish. Better with a piece of timber in there, especially on a windowsill. Any condensation in this room, even me applying paint on the walls, the water's going to dry out, it's going to come out, it's going to sit somewhere. That's just pathetic. It really is. I mean, some might say even, oh, you know, waterproof M.D.F. No, bit of timber, proper stuff. Crap. You wonder why some painters and decorators are really good at the job and know more than just the painting and decorating. It's because us guys are the last ones on the job and we always pick up on all the other trades' mistakes and bad work. I could have done better in my sleep. Not even thinking about it. That's disrespectful tradesmen. Totally. An ordinary piece of timber in there would have been easier to plane. You wouldn't have had to have bothered trying to use some of my polyfiller. So when I come in and gone into my gear and use some of your polyfiller, mate. Yeah. I could just tell what kind of attitude he had as soon as I walked in the room and I picked up on that. So he obviously didn't have anything else himself, or couldn't be bothered walking 40 yards to get it. Painting and decorating has some good tradesmen. I wouldn't have been bothered if he'd have asked me advice while I was here. I'll put this piece of M.D.F. in. What should I do next? Seal it. Don't just use filler around the edges. Get it sealed first before you do any filling. Or if it's still wet, take it out. Put something else in.